How to use Netflix secret codes. You can use Netflix secret codes by typing a specific numerical URL into your web browser to access hidden, highly specific subgenres. And to do that, first what you want to do is you want to simply open your browser. After that, here you want to simply type in out your URL. First, type out the following URL in your address. Type out the following URL on your address bar. And what you want to do is you want to replace the code with the specific number for the genre that you want to view. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply enter. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on enter. And by doing so, you will be able to use your secret codes on Netflix. On a note, this method only works on web browsers. However, you can see save titles you find to my However, you can save titles you find to my list on your browser, and they will immediately appear on your TV or gaming consoles as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.